4.6 stretching the graphs. Um, the graph y equal a times fx is a stretch of the graph of y equal fx by a scalar factor of a in the vertical direction. So what is the meaning of this one? So it means if you want to draw y equal afx graph, instead of what you could do, you get the y equal fx graph and stretch this fx along the y direction with the scalar factor of a. We'll see that what is the meaning of this one with the example. So I'll take first of all a y equal fx graph, then y equal will draw y equal 2fx. This is x-axis. I'll consider a line first. So this is a curve. I'll consider a point here. This point is x1 away, and so the coordinate of this point is then x1 x1 fx1. Now I'll consider another point here, x2. Then coordinate of this point is x2 and fx2. Now this graph is, okay, I'll take another point. This is x3 away. I will take this is x3 fx3. In general, all the point in this one x fx. I can tell all the point in this line is x fx. When x equal 1, it is going to be f1. When x equal 2, it is going to be f2. When x equal x1, it is going to be fx1. When x going to be 2, it is going to be fx2. When x going to be star, it's going to be f star. Now this curve is y equal fx curve. Now I want to draw y equal 2fx curve. Now what kind of changes I have to do? So what kind of change I have to do for this line? Or what kind of what type of calculation or the changes I have to do to the coordinates? Line mean infinite number of points. Moving line mean moving infinite number of points. It means what kind of changes I have to do to make 2fx. So what is the theory? Theory is the stretch of the graph of y equal fx is a stretch of the graph y equal fx by a scalar factor of a in the vertical direction. Right? This is the vertical direction, I mean y direction. Now we'll do it. Now, in general, I said in this graph, what are the general coordinate I want to write? xfx. xfx, general coordinates, comma. In here, if I write x, f, 2fx. instead of x, 2fx. X is going to be the same. I think I'll mix those two together. Now we need 2fx. Now the general coordinate is x times 2fx. It means keep x1 as it is, but this fx we have to double. Then this length I have to double it. It means this is 1 and the same height. So this height is fx1, another fx1 height. So now it is here. Now this height is fx2. Now I want to double this one. So this point is before that x1 instead of fx1 now 2fx1. Likewise now this point x2 fx2. So I have to double this length. Then this is also again fx2. Then this point is going to be x2 comma 2 times fx. Same way, this point going to be how many? This is fx3 height. I want to double this height somewhere here. Still x3 coordinate is same. The x value is same x3, but the y coordinates I am doubling. And what is the coordinate of this one? 0, 0. It's still the x coordinate is same. When you double 0, what is it? 2 times 0, still 0. It means it's going through this. Now I'm going to draw the curve. Like this. So this is the y equal to fx. Only what I did, I keep x1 as it is and I double the y value. This is fx, the height, I double it, fx times fx. This is fx2 is height, this height. So same as I double it. Right? Likewise, if it is y equal half x, what you need to do? You want to half this one. This is fx and this is the half. This is fx, half of xx here. This is fx, this is half of x here. So then this is going to be y equal half of fx. We don't touch x values. We are multiplying by 2 or half or according to that the scale factor given. So it is along, it is a stretching along the vertical direction. We'll discuss another example. Going to 0, 0. I'll take this point. This is y equal fx. This length is 4. This height is 1. So this coordinate is 4 and 1. I'll take another point. This length is 8. This height is 2. So coordinate is this point is 4, 2. Now I want to draw y equal 2fx. Now what I need to do, keep the x value same, keep the x value same, x equal 4, and y value I have to double. So in that case 1, 2, somewhere here. So this is going to be 4 and 2. This is 1, this is 2. Right? Now this coordinate is 4, 2. We'll keep the x value is same and we have to double the y value. So 2 and 2. So this point is going to be, this is 8, 8 to 8 2. So the x value is going to be 8 and y value is going to be 4. 4, 4, 8, 8. I didn't touch x, I just double y because the command given 2. Then how about 0, 0? This value is 0, 0. I didn't touch x. When I double 0, 2 times 0 is still 0. Then it's still the same 0, 0. Then the curve is this. So this is y equal to fx. The curve y fx is given. Now if I want to make y equal half x, half fx, what I need to do? Keep x value is same and make this y value half. So x is 4, 1 divided by 2, half. This is right, half this value. X value is 8, 2 divided by 2, 1. So this is the point. So that graph goes like this. Another example. This is a curve. This curve is y equal fx. Now I want to find y equal to fx. Draw by looking at this. I'll take a point here. This length is a, this height is p. The coordinate is ap. I will write in a bigger mode ap. This is ap. I pick up in the point in the bend. I'll take this distance is b and this height is q. The point is p, q. So this point is AP, this point is PQ. I write PQ. Another point. This is C and this is T height. What is the coordinate of this point? CT. Now I want to draw this y equal to fx. How do I draw? So now you can see that this point, I'll keep that x value as it is. What is the command is given? Double the y value. Okay, what is the y value? P. Then P double, another P, the same height. So it is going here. So this point is now A to P. Now this is, I'll take this point and I'll double it. So this point is now before that this point is not PQ, this point is BQ. This point is B length Q. This is CT, right? This is BQ. Now I consider another length of Q. Now this point is still the x coordinate is B, but Q is double, 2Q. Now this is CT. C coordinates as it is, I double T in this length and I take this length somewhere. So this is going to be C 2T, double it. And again here 0 0, x value is same. When you double 0, 2 times 0 is 0, so it's still 0 0. Then the curve go like this. So same as this way. Now I can write here y equal to fx is a stretch of the graph y equal to is a stretch of the graph y equal fx by a scalar factor of 2 in vertical, this is vertical direction. As a summary, you keep x values, and if it is 2fx, you double the height. P double 2p, Q double 2q, T double 2t, 0 double 0.